Hello everyone, this is Rashmi and today I am going to discuss about the cost of living index by aggregate expenditure method. The question is given A, B, C, D, E up to some commodity or some values are given. Their quantity price is given for the base year. Then the price is given for the current year. Now the formula for aggregate expenditure method is summation of P1 Q naught divided by summation of P naught Q naught into 100. This is the formula for aggregate expenditure method. Here we need the value of P1, then we need the value of P naught and Q naught. Now here summation of P1 Q naught means first of all we need to find out all the product value of P1 Q naught, then find out the sum value. Similarly P naught Q naught we need to find out first of all the product values, and then we need to find out the summation value. Here base year quantity is given. Quantity is denoted by Q naught for the base year, and then price for the base year is denoted by P naught. Current year price is given. Here price is denoted by P1. Now aggregate expenditure method, the formula is P1 Q naught then P naught Q naught. So we need to find out P naught Q naught then P1 Q naught. We need to find out the product of these two values, P naught Q naught then P1 Q naught. Then we need to find out the summation value. So let us find out all the product value. Here first is P naught Q naught. This is the Q naught value, this is P naught value. So this value will be 140, 450, 240, 35 into 20, 700, 15 into 4, 60, 40 into 11, 440, 25 into 9, 225, then 22 into 5, 10 into 6, 60. Then we need to find out P1 Q naught. Here this value is P1 and this value is equal to Q naught. So first of all we need to find out the product of the corresponding number. 20 into 11, 220, 45 into 6, 45 into 6. The value is equal to 270, then 30 into 7, 210, 35 into 12 is equal to 420, 15 into 10, 150, 40 into 5, 200, 25 into 4, 100, 22 into 8, 176, 10 into 10, 100. So first of all we have find out all the product value. Now find out the summation value. So 140 plus 450 plus 240 plus 700 plus 60 plus 440 plus 225 plus 110 plus 60 is equal to 2425. Then the next value 220 plus 270 plus 210 plus 420 plus 150 plus 200 plus 100 plus 176 plus 100, and the value is 1846. So to find out cost of living index by aggregate expenditure method, the formula is summation of P1 Q naught divided by P naught Q naught into 100. Here substitute the values we have got from the calculation. So P1 Q naught value is equal to 1846. Then P naught Q naught value is equal to 2425 into 100. Now 1846 divided by 2425 into 100 is equal to 76.12. So in this way, if you are to find out cost of living index by aggregate expenditure method, you need to find out P1 Q naught then P naught Q naught. After finding out all the product value, you need to find out the summation value, and in the substituting in the formula the values, you will get the actual value, cost of living index. Now also there are some different method to find out cost of living index. We will discuss about the another formula in our next video.